Hello children, my topic for today is proposal writing. It is a compulsory section of English language paper and it carries 10 marks. First of all, let me tell you what is a proposal writing. It is a way to pitch an idea, a plan or a suggestion and state the requirements and the line of action for successful accomplishment of the plan. It is a formal document put forward for the approval of a higher authority. As a student of ISC, you will be asked to write a proposal to establish a club in your school or start a new project or conduct a fest. A proposal may be written to solve a problem, to improve a process or a situation, or to undertake a new project, or to conduct a program, or to organize an event. There are certain things to remember while writing a proposal. They are, you have to give a heading first, then introduction, after that objectives, and then list of measures. After which you need to give a concluding sentence, and then finally you should put your signature with your designation. Marks are allotted for different segments. If you follow the correct steps, you can score good marks. Marking scheme of proposal writing is 2 marks for writing heading introduction, 2 marks for objectives, 4 marks for list of measures, and 2 marks will be awarded on your linguistic ability. Children, just like no marks are awarded separately for writing the heading or the title that you give in the beginning, it just gives a sense of completion. In the same way, you should put your signature in the end with your designation. It's your own writing, children, so you end up with your signature along with your designation. Marks for signature must be included in the expression. Important note, it is suggested that while writing a proposal, the students provide an apt title, a heading that is an introduction of about 2 sentences, a minimum of 2 objectives, and a list of a minimum of 4 points. The proposal should be concluded with an appropriate sentence, and 2 marks finally will be awarded for linguistic ability. Now let's take a specimen question for proposal writing from your own textbook, Total English ISC for class 12, edition 2020, specimen paper 1, page 22. And the question is, as a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a counseling center. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular center. You are required to give an apt title for proposal. Always write the title in capital as you can see here in your screen. Proposal for setting up a counseling center. You have to write introduction and heading. Without writing the word heading, give heading or the title to your proposal, but you have to write the word introduction and then write introduction as you can see here in your screen. To help the students who are in a state of stress, depression, anxiety, and fear due to various reasons. Provide counseling to the students that would improve their behavior and help them to develop mentally and socially. Now write the word objectives and then write objectives as you can see here. Objectives: to start up a center where students facing any problem related to their personal lives or studies can talk to the counselors and get a solution for their problems. Now comes the list of measures. You have to write the heading first, list of measures, Then write list of measures as you can see here. List of measures. Number 1, room number 27A on the ground floor in the school will be used as the counseling center. Number 2, two qualified persons will be appointed as counselors along with the 2 teachers and 2 students to manage the counseling center. Number 3, the center would organize talk shows, lectures and meetings to help the students. And the last point, the counselors would help the students mediate conflict with their peers, teachers or parents. They would also provide therapy and counseling services during school hours. Now you have to write the concluding sentence. Then finally, you put your signature with your designation. The children, this is not mentioned in your book, but you should put your signature to give your proposal a sense of completion. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the counseling center is established for the benefit of all the students. Rahul Batra, student, council member, Mary Lucas School and College, Prayagraj. Now have a look at the proposal writing, the way it should be written. Thank you.